Hi everyone. Gusto ko lang sanang ituro sa inyo a couple of features dito sa ating bagong online site. By the way, sa ngayon tinatawag ko to na RLCC Connect or maybe Connection. Please suggest a good name kung meron kayong naiisip. Pero as of now, wala pa namang official. Iniisip ko lang real life connection. Anyway, the two things na gusto kong ituro sa inyo today is first of all, ang pwede nyo magawa is to drag yung tab ng site dun sa unang-una, like that, okay? And then make sure na sa settings ninyo, if you go to the settings on this side, if you're using Chrome nga pala, you go to the right side, tapos punta kayo dun sa settings, and then other settings, hanapin nyo yung on startup. Meron tatlong choices dyan. Open the new tab page, continue where you left off, tapos open a specific page or set of pages. So dito kayo sa pangalawa, continue where you left off. So click nyo lang yan. So pag ginawa nyo yan, every time na kayo ay magsasarado ng inyong browser, pagbukas ninyo, doon kayo pupunta sa unang-unang o saan kayo huling nagpunta. So in this case, kung nakabukas yung inyong real life connection page, doon kayo lagi pupunta. So I want you to know na the first thing na makikita nyo would be all the things that is happening in our church. And that's why I like this, kasi hindi siya crowded by so many other things na hindi naman talaga kailangan. Like what you see sa Facebook, di ba? When you open your Facebook, siyempre ang dami dyan, lahat ng buong mundo nandyan. So, but if you open this site, all you see would be updates from our church members. Now, I just want you to know the second thing, which is pag pumunta kayo sa Me tab, okay? This is your personal, basically personal page. At ang pwede nyo gawin ay pwede kayong maglagay ng iba't ibang klaseng mga apps. As you can see on the left side, marami akong apps na nilagay. And you can add your own just by clicking itong add apps. And you would see maraming klaseng apps yan, may different choices. Later, I can teach you kung paano kayo makakadagdag ng app na wala rito by using itong add RSS. Okay? So for now, dito, all you need to do is just hover yung mouse ninyo dun sa anumang app yon. At pag may nakita kayong plus sign, i-click nyo lang yon and it will come out dun sa inyong page. Now, merong mga choices ditong iba pa, so you can just browse through it. Maraming klase. And any app na gusto nyo, just hover above it. As makikita nyo yung plus sign, just add plus. Okay? So, for example, if let's say go here, couple checkup, if I add that, okay, makikita nyo may check mark. And then you would see doon dadagdag siya sa ibabaw. Now, of course, you can adjust this in any way you like, but just by dragging using your mouse. O kaya yung pad, what do you call this, parang touchpad sa laptop. And then, you can see dun sa pinaka mismong, pag i-check nyo yun, makikita nyo yung site na yun. Now, if you don't like it, you just click X, tapos confirm. So that's it. I hope you can enjoy it. I'll teach you some more later on how to use it. So back again to the church wall. Yung pinaka main wall natin. Do respond, by the way. Anytime that you see something, just click comment and write anything you like. Tapos parang kumbaga ang pag-post dito, parang katulad sa Facebook, you just choose photo and you can add any comment that you like. Okay? Dali lang naman kumuha ng photo, Google lang kayo ng photo that you like and or maybe your face. Tapos you can just post anything. So thank you and God bless.